Hey coffee lovers! Are you ready to upgrade your morning routine with the perfect cup of coffee? What if I told you that the wrong Keurig coffee maker could leave you with a bitter taste, literally? In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 best Keurig coffee makers of 2025 that you need to see before making your next purchase. From sleek designs to advanced brewing technology, we've got you covered. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are waiting for you in the description below. So, grab your favorite mug, and let's brew this. Number 1. Keurig K-Elite Single Serve Coffee Maker. The classics are classics for a reason, and the Keurig K-Elite Single Serve Coffee Maker is a heavy hitter on the home brewing scene. This coffee maker looks similar to the original Keurig models but is turbocharged with many updated features. Case in point, it brews both hot and iced drinks, and it can be programmed to make your drinks in advance, because what's better than a cup of coffee waiting for you as soon as you roll out of bed? It's right up there with the Nespresso Virtuo Plus and is a happy middle ground between Keurig's most sophisticated and simplest models, granting customization and flexibility. As for the long term, tester Andrea Landowski has used her K-Elite at least 5 times per week for 6 months. She's still impressed with its performance, noting that with regular cleanings it still performs like new. I love that with the Keurig, you have the option of using a reusable brew cup, like the My K cup, for example. This helps to reduce cost and waste, which were my 2 main concerns coming into this, she says. Number 2. Keurig K-Supreme Single Serve Coffee Maker. The Keurig K-Supreme Single Serve Coffee Maker offers more than meets the eye. Simply hit the strong button, and the coffee maker's multi-stream technology evenly saturates the coffee for a stronger brew each time. Adding to its versatility, the K-Supreme also brews iced coffee. Devoted iced coffee fans believe every season is iced coffee season, yet perfecting the beverage at home is tricky. Like Keurig K-Iced coffee makers, this pick automatically adjusts the temperature as it brews using the over-ice feature. Another handy feature of the K-Supreme is the dual-position 66-ounce water reservoir. Choose to mount it on the side of the Keurig coffee machine or move it to the back, depending on what works best for your counter space. Number 3. Keurig K-Slim Single Serve Coffee Maker. Proving that small truly can be mighty, the Keurig K-Slim Single Serve Coffee Maker has a removable, multi-cup reservoir with a 46-ounce capacity. It's slim and minimal, which makes it an ideal addition to your kitchen lineup without consuming too much counter space. The machine brews up to 4 8-ounce cups of coffee before the water reservoir needs to be refilled. Senior project editor Carmen de la Paz says the K-Slim is quiet and easy to use. It brews both a steaming hot cup of coffee and a delicious hot cocoa. She also loves the coffee maker's scarlet red color. I don't have a lot of counter space to give and was happy the K-Slim fit into my small space. It looks great on the counter, and I think it will last a long time. Number 4. Keurig K-Duo Single Serve and Carafe Coffee Maker. Whether you're regularly entertaining or trying to keep your team properly caffeinated, the Keurig K-Duo Single Serve and Carafe is a workhorse of a coffee maker. With a 60-ounce water reservoir shared between the Carafe and the single serve, it handles ongoing demand throughout the day and doesn't require constant refills. Brew anywhere from 6 to 12 cups in the Carafe or 6 to 12 ounces in the single serve. While you're at it, place your abundance of pods in one of these attractive holders. I really appreciate the ease of use for this machine. It's simple and only has a few buttons. Anyone can use it, writes senior shopping editor and self-proclaimed coffee snob Katie Bandersky. The 2-in-1 options are great for families/couples who each like different things. My husband, John, for example, only drinks decaf. While I was disappointed in the initial taste of the coffee, future testing revealed that it comes down to the pods you're using, and fresh grounds in the Carafe are far superior. Also, can't beat the convenience. Number 5. Keurig K-Café Smart Single Serve Coffee Maker. As the K-Café Smart comes with so many features and pieces, including a frother, setup can be tricky. However, downloading the Keurig app and connecting the coffee maker to Wi-Fi will assist with the process. The app also provides options for customized, barista-style drinks. This Keurig coffee maker brews 5 different strengths, from balanced to intense, 6 temperature options and 4 brew sizes. Plus, you can even brew over ice. Taste of Home culinary assistant Mark Newfang is typically a pour-over coffee drinker, but he thinks the K-Café Smart can step up your coffee game. It does a lot. The milk frother is really cool, and the adjustable strengths, remote brewing and scheduled brews, are nice perks. The app takes a little figuring out, and if you do anything remotely with it, you just need to remember to have your K-Pod in the machine and your mug parked and ready. And there you have it, the top 5 best Keurig coffee makers of 2025. Which one are you brewing with? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more life-changing recommendations. Oh, and remember, all the product links are waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.